Choosing a smartwatch can be a hell of a task, seeing the number of options we have in the market. People may be confused about which smartwatch to buy and which one to avoid, so I am here in this video to clear all your doubts and will show you the top 5 watches of 2024 if you are in the market to buy one. So, hello guys, my name is Alayush and you are watching Doting Tech. Subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content and videos. Let's dive into the video now. The watches I will recommend in this video will be especially great for women as well. These specific models cater to women with their diverse designs, wrist-friendly sizes, and advanced health tools. The first watch on our list is Apple Watch Series 10. This watch comes in both 42mm and 46mm sizes and is available in a variety of color and band options. It has a decent battery life of 18 hours, it is swim-proof, and it is also helpful in pregnancy tracking for women. It also supports Apple Pay. Reasons to buy this watch: wide-angle OLED displays, 10% lighter design, sleep apnea detection, and ships with watchOS 11. Reasons to avoid this watch: same 18-hour battery life and blood oxygen app disabled due to legal reasons. The Apple Watch Series 10 is not a major upgrade over Series 9, but you can definitely consider this watch if you want a top-of-the-line watch from Apple. Number 2 on our list is Galaxy Watch 7. This watch comes in smaller sizes than the Apple Watch, which are 40mm and 44mm. This watch has a decent battery life of 40 hours, which is better than the Series 10 but still not impressive. It is also swim-proof and supports Samsung Pay. The Galaxy Watch also has pregnancy and menstrual cycle tracking for women. Reasons to buy this watch: accurate and detailed sleep insights, useful AI-powered features from Galaxy Eye, and impressive user interface. The unimpressive battery life can be one reason to avoid the Galaxy Watch 7. The Galaxy Watch 7 is not bad altogether, and I think that the Apple Watch Series 10 and the Galaxy Watch 7 are neck and neck in competition. But for anyone using Android, the Galaxy Watch 7 is the best pick. Number 3 is Fitbit Sense 2. The Fitbit Sense 2 is the company's premium smartwatch that comes with more advanced health and wellness features than the Versa line. Not only does it have an FDA-approved ECG sensor and blood oxygen reading, but the Sense has the ability to measure electrodermal activity and skin temperature too. It comes in a smaller size of 40mm with an impressive rated battery life of 6 days. It is also swim-proof and supports Fitbit Pay. Like the other 2 watches, it also has cycle tracking and pregnancy tracking. Reasons to buy this watch: attractive design, long battery life of 6 days, supports both Android and iOS, unlike the other 2, and comprehensive fitness/health features. There are no particular reasons to avoid this Fitbit watch, as far as I see. Number 4 on the list is Garmin Lele. The Garmin Lele is a small and stylish smartwatch that will make you forget the bulky GPS wearables the brand is best known for. Designed with first-time female smartwatch users in mind, the Garmin Lele isn't one of the best sport watches, but it is a great choice for those who don't like the traditional smartwatch look. This watch comes in only a 34mm size with an excellent battery life of 5 days. It is also swim-proof and supports cycle tracking and pregnancy tracking. Reasons to buy this watch: stylish, lightweight design, best display of any Garmin lifestyle watch, and onboard pregnancy tracking app. Reasons to avoid this watch: lacks GPS or NFC and does not support any mobile payment systems. The last watch and number 5 on our list is Apple Watch SE 2022 model. Yes, the 2022 model of the Apple Watch SE is still on sale, and it is one of the more affordable offerings from Apple. The Apple Watch SE is kind of a hybrid device, pairing an older Apple Watch design with the Apple Watch Series 8's chipset. This smartwatch doesn't have all the features, but it stands out for its great fitness tracking and safety features. It also offers an LTE option. It comes in 40mm and 44mm sizes, and it has the same rated battery life of 18 hours on a single charge. Like the bigger Apple Watch Series 10, it also supports Apple Pay, cycle tracking, and pregnancy tracking. Reasons to buy this watch. Less expensive than the flagship Apple Watch, familiar, reliable design, and gets annual software updates. Reasons to avoid this watch. Older design and unimpressive battery life. So, these are the top 5 smartwatches you should consider if you're in the market for one. Which is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe, and goodbye.